Welcome back, guys. This is what I've been looking for months. Well, nearly a year almost. A flip clock. Finally found one. $15. Well, with taxes... Oh, hold on. No, that doesn't look good. And that's not good neither. Oh well, it moves. Woohoo! $15. That probably comes around about $18 and a bit with taxes. So how much change out of $20? Wow. Yeah, the clock doesn't move. Okay. Well, these really metally old 70s style buttons don't work very well. Let's go and take a look. Let's go and plug it in and let's see what we've got here. Hopefully the radio works. If something works, then yeah, we're taking this home. If something works on it. Not sure. No date or anything on the back. I'm pretty sure 70s. Let's plug it in and off. On radio. No. What? No. Radio? Radio? No radio. Radio, no work radio. Or is it? Hold on, let's just try the button. Try it again. Try the other buttons. Try these buttons. I'm trying everything here, guys. Let's try the button that's fallen off. I think that middle button probably adjusts the time. Let's try this button. No. Nope. Nothing. Nothing. Nope. Nothing. Well, it's a wooden plastic box of nothing with a stationary flip clock. It's right twice a day. Yeah. I wonder. What the heck? You'd think even the radio would work. Could it be a fuse inside? Do you think there might be a fuse in there? I don't know. I think it's probably more to do with capacitors and stuff all just leaking and broken by now. I wonder if I get a discount on it. If I get a discount on it, I might buy it. If I get it for... No, still trying the radio. If I could get it for $10... or 30% off because it's not working, I think it could go home with me. I'm thinking spares, but if nothing works, what's the point in getting spares? Nothing on the bottom showing whether it's what day it is or why it's not working or any special buttons I'm not pressing. Just talk to a manager or something. You got a red coat on.
Well, I have a yellow
That does not mean anything. Mom, yeah?
It doesn't work. There's no power. I'm just wondering if there's any
Did you test it to see
Yeah,
if it
I'll
works?
put it on. It's manual on and off. I can't even get the radio to work. I've been after a flip clock for a while, but I really want one that works. But if it's cheap, it might be worth taking out the risk.
She's just coming in 1 second.
So plug it in, not even the radio works. I wonder if there's any you could do a discount on it.
So we priced as a collectible. We don't look if it's working or not.
No?
Yeah. So the value of that is a collectible.
Okay,
Yeah.
so
I cannot do. It just came out for 2 days. Sorry.
alright. It'd be better seeing it on a Tuesday when it would have got 30%.
If it's still there.
You couldn't do me a Tuesday price today, could you? 30%?
No, I cannot.
No?
It's in the system. It's come from the company.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
All right?
Thank you.
No problem.
So what would you do? Would you buy it? Would you buy it for spares? Would you buy it to repair? Have you got the knowledge to repair something like this? See, the motor's not running on the clock. Absolutely nothing in there, and there's just no power. Thing is, there's no power at all to it. So could it be a transformer inside or some? And yeah, I don't really want to be messing around with 110 volt transformers and stuff. The only thing I could probably fix is if there was a fuse inside that had blown, but I don't know. I tried to look it up. I don't even know if they have a little fuse in these. But yeah, the clock looks really good. It's just a shame nothing works. I mean, nothing. Let's put it back on the shelf, and I'm sure somebody will buy it. See, look, I can buy a working flip clock for like $30 on Marketplace.